Hey everybody, what's up? It's your girl DivinelyAyahnna and welcome back
to my channel.
Hey guys, if you are new to the family, welcome. That's one of the munchkins. I definitely appreciate you guys for subscribing to my channel and clicking on this video. So I'm going to be showing you guys a makeup tutorial using the ShaylaXColourpop eyeshadow palette Perception. If you guys know me, you know I'm a die-hard fan for Shay. She's like my twin sister. She just don't know it. And I definitely am in love with her collection from Colourpop. Like, it has been my go-to ever since it has released. When I'm traveling, when I'm going to visit family, the palette, the lip products, even Colourpop foundation is what I pack. So anyway, I really don't want to talk much. It's not a review or anything like that. It is just a how to do, a go-to if you are learning how to do makeup, if you are learning how to do cut crease, and you want a bomb palette to use that's easy and has some really great colors on darker skin tones. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for just being super dedicated to the fam. Okay, so I will see y'all in the next video, but for now, peace, love, and be divine. So I'm starting out with my face moisturized and primed and my eyebrows semi-done. I'm going to start with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, lining under my brow and pulling the concealer downward towards my eyelid. Using a blending bud, I'm going to blend it out gently. Using the Perception palette from ShaylaXColourpop collection, I'm starting with Revenge as my first shade. And I am putting this all over my eyelid, using this as like my base color. And then I'll layer up over this. I am now cutting the crease using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. As you see, I placed it on bottom eyelid. I look up, which is my guideline to where I'm going to cut the crease. I can go above this line if I choose, but going below it would not create that effect that we want. So even though this video is sped up, I did do a few extra layers and I really took my time on making the line nice and smooth and nice and even using an angled brush. Here I am going in with Spill the Tea and I am packing it on top of that concealed area, on my crease, on my lid. I am just going to constantly keep packing, and I'm also kind of changing the angle of my brush to make sure that product is being applied where the concealer is. The one thing about this part that I don't like, that I want to warn everyone, is that if your product has a lot of fallout, this portion can look cakey. So it's very important that you take your time and then make sure that the item is being blended in nicely. You don't want it to look cakey. Now I'm going in with Culture right underneath my brow and underneath my brow bone and really blending that in between the two colors so that it blends nicely and it's not such a sharp line. Just so you guys know, which is not recorded, between the harsh lines I do add the color plate out. Voila. I love this look using the ShaylaXColourpop Perception eyeshadow palette. Nice and soft yet poppin'. Just absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see, I did add some shadow to my under eyelid area just to finish the look. Thank you guys so much.